Breakfast. The most important meal of the day is essential in providing energy and focus for your day. A bowl of cereal is a simple and versatile choice for breakfast, so how should you go about eating it? Adding milk to your cereal is a personal preference, and toppings like fruit or spices can enhance the flavor. Enjoy your cereal at your own pace, and don't forget to drink the leftover milk. Hot cereal options like oatmeal or grits offer cooking instructions and customizable toppings. Let hot cereal cool before eating to avoid burning your mouth. Choosing the right cereal is crucial, with sweet options high in sugar and healthier options high in fiber and protein. Consider milk alternatives like lactose-free or non-dairy options based on dietary needs. Closing the cereal packaging properly will prevent staleness and keep your cereal fresh for next time.